This video is going to show you what I'm expecting you to do before the midterm break. This is basically what you have shared with me. You've got your name, word project in the title. This is the first half. The second half is the mail merge, which we're going to do in person in college, if possible, and if not, we'll think of something else. But for now, that's the plan. So a lot of you have already made a document, called it uses, or put a title uses of Word, and a lot of you have already named it your name Word project. Then I wrote a comment in it to say well done, thanks for sharing, and I also said I've put these blue sentences in to help you get started. So in our last class, we did a brainstorm uses of a word processing document. So we all had a little bit of a brainstorm. We all put in ideas of where Word can be used in the workplace. Invoices, posters, minutes from meetings, letters, memo, roster, business cards. Not exactly how, maybe... It's a good one. Education use, people use Word for timetables, for assignments, for making tests, for doing research and projects exactly. And then other uses would be maybe personally, you made a calendar, or you're doing up your CV, or you're doing a personal blog. That's cool. Blogs are usually online, not usually written in Word. So, but you can see this is the brainstorm document that we've used in class to help you. Now, it's to help you for your word project. So you have to do, for 2 marks only, explain common uses of a word processing application. So if you can just pick 2 and put them in there. I showed last class how to do a word cloud that was on wordart.com. And then I showed you how to make the picture stick to the left of the page so that your writing appears on the right side of the page. That remember, just double click. We wrapped the text and it's left square. So that's what we did there. And then the other option is to put it in a table. So just put your 2 sentences. Word is used in the home for making family calendars or even a poster for a lost pet. Word processing applications can be used in work for rosters, health and safety posters. So that's my example of an acceptable answer for me that would be worth 2 marks. So something small like that. Then moving on, what I want to do this class is 4 marks. Explain 4 features of a word processing application. In our brainstorm document in class, we are going to add a few ideas to our document that we've already shared that you should already have access to. And the features I'm talking about here are the spell check feature, the ability to share a document easily, the ability to work on the same document at the same time. You can add a picture from your PC to your document to enhance something that you're talking about. You have access to databases of stock images using the Bing search. There's lots of things that you can do. Features of a word processing document. You can, let's say you want to number a list. Highlight the list, press that, and it will automatically number a list. That's another option you can put down. So number a list. You could change the numbers instead to bullet points, clicking on the bullet points. So that's another feature of Word. Remember, it's only asking you for 4 features. So just come up with random 4 ones that you can think of and explain them. And the last thing that I'm expecting you guys to do for 4 marks is commonly used toolbar icons that are associated with file handling and text formatting. So don't just do text formatting examples, give me file handling examples as well. So here's an example, just started off using snip. I snipped this icon from here. I snipped that icon from here. I snipped that icon from here. Add another text formatting icon. I'm going to the snip on my computer that I showed you in class last week. File, I'm just going to go new. I'm going to do underline as an icon. I'm going to paste it in. Click on this icon to underline text in a document. Sorry, I just refreshed it because it wasn't appearing and then now it appeared. Don't forget to double click on your picture to wrap it left so that the text hugs the side of the picture. It's nice and neat. Another option you could do for text formatting is this one. Pressing return, pressing paste, this icon. Okay, and then for the file handling, maybe do share, the share icon. This helps you share a document. Okay, another file handling idea. Go up to here. This area of the document allows you to name the file or change the name of the file, rename, or you can even change the type of file. So you can just do this. I'm not sure if Snip's going to work. Oh yeah, it will. New. Here's another example you can give. This area allows you to change the location of a file. Double click, wrap, left. Now you can see the text hugs the picture. Where it is saved. Right. You can say your own thing. Just double click this one, wrap, left align. So now you can see it's nice and neat. So you've got features of Word. You've got commonly used icons explained as well. Okay, I hope that helps. Good luck. Let me know if you need any help. As always, I will meet you or help you over email. Bye.